What's going on, guys? It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what we're doing this time around is I've got a Chevrolet Matiz or Daewoo Matiz. Chevrolet Matiz, Daewoo Matiz, same, absolutely same car. Okay, it's a 2009 Chevrolet Matiz. We're gonna go ahead and replace the rear shock absorbers. Dead easy job. I mean, if everything comes off, it's an easy job. If it doesn't come off, then you're here for the long run. Anyway, let's go ahead and do it. Let's go. Okay, send the car up on the ramp. As you can see here, I've took the wheel off. If you're doing it on the floor, make sure it's nice and safe. You don't want the car falling on you. You don't want to go to, hospital and things like that. Mess your day up big time. So make sure it's nice and safe. Get some axle stands on there. What we're going to do is we're going to take this bolt off, 17 mil. Go around here. Take that nut off here, 17 mil. Them two off. Basically, that's it. Shock absorber should come off. It might have a little bit of tension on it. So if you want, you can get a jack underneath it. If you're doing it on the floor, trolley jack. Okay, so that nut is off. It wasn't a bolt, sorry, it was a nut. That is off. This one is off as well. Not rocket science. I've got it jacked up here. You don't have to if you're strong enough. I said I was strong enough, but you know what? My hand's playing up a little bit, so yeah, save my hand a little bit. So anyway, just pull that off from there. Can't really go wrong. This one as well, same on this one as well. It will come off eventually. Give it a, there we go. That's off. The reason why we're replacing it, the bushes. I mean, you can go ahead maybe buy the bushes and just replace the bush. Okay, but obviously it's cheaper to just buy the full shocker and then just go from there. But you can buy the bushes separate. I've seen it on the internet and everything. You can buy the bushes separate, but obviously the spare shop down here, they don't do the bushes separate. They do the complete shocker with the bush, everything on. So yeah, let's get the new one on. Let's replace it. Ready to go on. I've got the new shock absorber there, brand spanker. What we're going to do is I put a bit of copper grease on there, as you can see there, just to help it. A little bit of copper grease on there because they were a little bit tight, seized up kind of thing. So, well, I mean, not rocket science, we're just going to get that in there. There we go. That on there. I need to push the shocker down a little bit just to get it in there. There we go. That's on. Bottom one's on. Let's get the nuts on. Let's go. Well, that is it, guys. All done and dusted. Dead easy job. It all came off, so nice and easy job. That's how we replace the rear shock absorbers on a Daewoo Matiz or a Chevrolet Matiz 2009 kind of thing. Like I mentioned, if you can do it outside your house, no problem whatsoever. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Tried my best. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV. We'll see you guys next time.